So here, drag. This is the third stage of part 3. I'm just trying to like do it a little bit easier. I mean, what will I say? Slower. Okay, you wrap around, you see, push it into a hole, find a hole somewhere not too far, drag it, wrap around your crochet, pull into the 3, then you are left with 1, wrap around, push back, drag, roll, pull, wrap around, push, pull it, wrap, pull, wrap, push, pull, wrap again, pull, pull, a repetition. So all these things require practicing. Wrap around, 1, push it into the hole, drag it out, wrap around, pull into all the 3. That is required practicing. So if you practice, you do the first one, that loop into a loop, go for the second one and try this. You will definitely start making some patterns by yourself, practicing and practicing. So thank you for watching. Take care. I see you in the next process where I'll be making something round